Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a head-to-head comparison between Animaker and ToonBee, two major giants in the online animation space that are currently fighting to dominate how creators, educators, and marketers build cartoon content. If you are completely torn between staying with a traditional, timeline-driven vector engine or jumping entirely into the chaotic world of generative artificial intelligence, understanding the massive structural differences between these two platforms will save you hundreds of dollars and weeks of intense frustration. We begin with Animaker, which acts as the ultimate enterprise standard for structured, multi-scene storytelling. Its absolute core advantage is absolute control, because its drag-and-drop web editor gives you a massive, meticulously curated asset library containing millions of stock props, pre-built vector backgrounds, and a highly granular character builder where you can customize clothing, facial features, and precise emotional triggers. When you use Animaker's keyframe tools like Smart Move or Action Plus, you know exactly how your character will move across the screen, and their native voiceover engine seamlessly syncs text-to-speech files directly to your character's lip movements without any weird visual glitching. However, Animaker demands significant manual composition hours, and its heavy browser-based interface can suffer from severe rendering lag and timeline freezes on lower-spec computers. On the flip side of the spectrum, ToonBee operates as a hyper-fast prompt-to-video artificial intelligence machine. Instead of forcing you to piece together scenes, timelines, and asset layers manually, ToonBee lets you type a single paragraph description to generate full, dynamic animated sequences with built-in camera movements and automatic speech synthesis within a matter of seconds. Their recently updated continuing video feature allows you to seamlessly stack sequential prompt instructions to extend your storyline across multiple scenes without hitting a creative wall. But this high-speed AI automation introduces a major chaotic trade-off because ToonBee suffers from severe character inconsistency, where outfits, colors, and subtle physical traits will randomly shift between different generated frames, and their strict credit-based system will completely consume your paid balances, even if the final render contains major visual bugs. Furthermore, ToonBee features incredibly bare-bones timeline editing, meaning if the artificial intelligence misinterprets your prompt, you cannot manually grab an object to move it or fine-tune a specific gesture. Pricing is another distinct battleground, where Animaker locks its premium 4K resolution workflows behind steep multi-tiered monthly subscription models, whereas ToonBee relies heavily on a volatile monthly token burning system, where heavy automated lead workflows can trigger unexpected booster pack costs mid-month. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your personal production workflow, meaning if you require pixel-perfect control, brand safety, and deep narrative consistency for professional client work, Animaker is easily the superior studio choice. But if you are a solo social media creator who needs to rapidly blast out short-form cartoon drafts, faceless storytelling, or quick thematic concepts without touching a timeline, ToonBee's generative engine is an incredibly powerful shortcut, provided you are willing to roll the dice on artificial intelligence randomness. Subscribe the channel for more videos.